Hello everybody, my name is Albert and today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to accept a job on SkillBooking. When a client selects you for a job, you'll receive a notification. To view it, go to the notification tab in the menu and click on the job notification. Once you've opened the job notification, take the time to read the job requirements carefully. Make sure you understand what the client needs before making a decision. If you need more details or want to discuss the job further, you can use the client message feature to chat with the client in real time. Clear communication ensures you're both on the same page before accepting the job. If you're too busy or the job isn't the right fit, you can decline the job. When declining, it's best to send a short message explaining your reason. This helps maintain professionalism and keeps opportunities open for the future. If you decide to accept the job, simply click Accept Job. Once accepted, the job will appear on your home screen, allowing you to track and manage it easily. If a client posts a job onto the boards, freelancers in this category will receive a notification email about the job. To view board jobs, go to the menu, Board Jobs, and select the job you're interested in. Read through the job details carefully to see if it's a good fit. If interested, click Express Interest to apply for the job. If not interested, click Decline. This will stop any further notifications about the job. If you express interest and the client selects you for the job, you will receive a notification. The job will then appear on your home screen and the messaging system will automatically open, allowing you to communicate with the client. At this point, the job is officially yours and you can begin working with the client. And that's it. Now you know how to accept both direct job offers and board jobs on SkillBooking. Whether you're responding to the private offer or applying for a board job, following these steps ensures a smooth process. If you have any questions, reach out to us through the contact page on our website.